Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today we will be learning how to check current password on Facebook. So, due to the security risk, Facebook doesn't allow you to view your password. So, to check your password, you need to go to settings. There are two methods to go here. First one is settings. Scroll down and go to Google Services. Here you will find these options. So there is Find My Device, there is Password Manager. Just click on Password Manager and you'll be taken to this particular page. So here we have facebook.com. Once you enter your security pattern or your any biometrics, you'll be taken to this page where you can view your passwords. To go into the same page, you can also take the Google Chrome. Here, click on the three dots and click on Settings. After that, click on Google Password Manager and you will find your facebook.com here. Click on it and you will be able to view your password. And this works only for if you have saved your password here in this particular device. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll meet you guys in the next video.